Right guys, welcome back to Exploring with Jake. We are at one of Stockport's underground tunnels. We have taken you down this place before guys, but look, we're going down there in a minute. But yeah, this used to be the building at the back of the pyramid in Stockport. As you can see, there's the other little bit of the air raid shelter. Look, this used to be an air raid shelter, this guys. If you follow me down here, this used to be one of the entrances to one of the air raid shelters. Yeah, there it is. There's one of the old tunnels there, blocked up. But yeah guys, we're going to take you down the other air raid shelter. Now that they've knocked the building down, we did actually come back to this building before it got knocked down, and it looked like that they've bricked the hole up, and now if you look, there's literally nothing here anymore. Like the whole building has just been knocked down. Like the building used to be here, all here and all that, but this used to be an old car garage, this bit. When you come into the back of it last time, this little hole was bricked up, but now because they've uncovered it all, it's open. So, let me take you down it guys, follow me. Oh, little minute. Leave the bag there. Don't go very far though. Oh, oh, that's a joke. Yeah, there's nothing there then. All blocked off. Just got full of mud for fuck all.